Toyota pickup truck. It's a two-wheel drive truck. And the battery box, when I got it, this truck, it was just all fall apart. And the original battery box in these vehicles are welded in. So I wanted to get rid of that, so I grinded it and cut it all out and threw that on the ground. And what I did is I got a battery tray for an '03 Honda Pilot. And I cut this bracket that goes on there. I cut that off. I just ordered this off of eBay, you know, like 20 bucks or something. Drilled 4 holes in it, okay? Cut all that junk off, and I made some little spacers, okay? And some of these spacers have a slight angle to them. And there's three or four spacers on here, but they're different thicknesses because of the way that the fender is done here. This inner fender well is welded all together, and that's the way it was from the factory, so I suppose they figure it's good enough. But anyway, I made these spacers from a Volvo S60, a 2003 Volvo S60 upper engine mount. That engine mount on the driver's side, right near the brake master cylinder area. It was all fell apart, and I just had these pieces left over, and I keep things like this for this type of situation, so I can make a cool little bushing out of it. So that's what we got here, just some old scrap pieces that I cut, different thicknesses, to set this battery tray in here so that it'll be level. Let's have a look at things and see how it looks installed. Now, with doing it with just one hand, I'm going to try to. I can't guarantee anything will work well here, but I've set those spacers over the holes. Now, this spacer here, it was negligible. I made a spacer for it. It's very thin, maybe 1/8 or 3/16 or so, but whatever. I don't really think it needs one there. Everything is really close, but I wanted the battery to set as level as possible. Let's see if I can get this thing to go down now. I welded these bolts on there and grinded everything down so it wouldn't. Well, I don't know if I'll be able to get this thing on there with one hand. Anyway, there we go. But that's how it sets. I'm going to clean this up and paint it. I've got some Krylon industrial stuff there. I don't know what the part number is on that, but it's pretty good paint. I ordered this stuff off of Amazon. There it is right there. It's pretty good. You can paint a lot of stuff with it. It seems like it works pretty good. But this is how it sets in there. It's going to be bolted down. The bolts just pop through the bottom there. But the main idea is I weld these down. I want to get one of those plastic trays and set that little plastic tray. There's the factory plastic battery tray that sets here. I want to put that on there. And it looks as though the support feature of this is good enough on this fender that it's not going to need anything under it on this side. From the factory, it had some small lands that went down there, and if it looks like it needs something like that, I can make something out of that. But so far so good. This looks pretty good how I got it. You know, this car is just kind of something, this little truck is just kind of something I piddle around with a little bit here and there to enjoy it. Hobby type thing, I guess. But anyway, I hope this helps somebody in the Toyota little pickup truck area. Y'all have a good day.